In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unpivot your tables here in Google Sheets. So if you want your data to look from this to this, here's how to do it. We have our sample sheet right here, and this is where I'm going to show you how to do that. We are going to start by flattening all of our data right here from this table, then joining them with a delimiter that we will be using to split it afterwards. So let me show you what I mean. Let's start off by flattening our data. Start with the equal sign, type in flatten, or select it right there. Select your range. So what we're going to do is to combine everything right here. So let's start off with this one. And by the way, this can be in any order. That's totally up to you. So I'm just going to start off with the employee name. Then with the ampersand, I'm going to join it with a delimiter, again, that we are going to use to split all of these data afterwards. So after that, again, the ampersand, we are going to keep on joining all of the data right here. Next one would be this part right here, our headers, ampersand, in quotations, our delimiter, and our last range would be ampersand right here. Select all of that, ampersand, our final delimiter right there. Close that off, press enter, and you will get this value error. But that's okay. And that's because our data right here has turned into an array, which we can just fix with an array formula function. Let's go ahead and do that. So type in array formula or select it right here. Close that off with another parentheses and press enter. And there you have it. You'll see that with those ampersand, we have joined each of these data with that delimiter, which is a /. And to split all of this to looking like this, we are going to use the split function. Let's go ahead and add that between our array formula and our flatten formula. So right here, I'm just going to start my split formula. There we go. Select it right there. So this is our text. And within that text, I'm going to put in a comma and put in my delimiter. Again, the same delimiter that we have been adding in the beginning of our formula. So let's go ahead and put that in quotations again. There you go. Add another parentheses to enclose that array formula and press enter. And there you have it. We have unpivoted our data from this table right here to this data right here. Just add your headers and there you have it. That's how you can unpivot your tables with this simple formula here in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.